Hello, everyone. My name is Melanie Morissette, and welcome to this chair yoga videos. So we're going to do about 15 minutes. So I want you to find a comfortable position, and let's get started. So relax your jaw. Your eyes are closed and soft. And slowly bring your shoulders up to your ears. Inhale. Exhale down and back. Connect with your breath. Start your breath from the stomach. And if you want to use the yogi breath, you're going to bring your breath all the way up to your collarbones and bring it down one cavity at a time. And then let's calm the mind by focusing on the quality of your breath. If your mind goes, that's okay. Just bring it back and try to stay here in the present moment. Try to inhale slowly for 4 counts. Exhale for 8. And again, inhale for 4. Exhale for 8. Then inhale positive thoughts. Exhale negative ones. And again, inhale positive. Exhale toxic. And let's slowly bring your back off the chair, nice and tall in mountain pose. I'm going to inhale up. Exhale, palms down. And again, out. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time, out to inhale. Exhale in front of your good heart. And I want you to create your own intention for this practice. I want you to be grateful for something, maybe somebody. So think about it. And let's inhale again to reach. Exhale to cactus. Let's see here. So shoulders down, open towards the back of the room. Breathe again. I want to see movement at your stomach. It's normal to have a tummy. Okay, and we're going to inhale again up. Exhale through your mouth and quick. That's it again. Up, inhale. Let go. 2 more. Up. Louder. 1 more. Up. Let go. That's it. And release. Rotate your shoulders slowly backwards. Good. And let's do your upper body. We're going to do the old way of cat and cow. So we're going to inhale, go forward. Exhale to round your back, chin closer to your chest, and come back again nice and tall. Now we're going to inhale forward. Exhale back. And again. Two more times. Last one. And come back again nice and tall. Open your arms by your side. Show me the palm of your hands. And go back to your breath. And release. We're going to press your right foot right here on the earth. We're going to inhale. Exhale, press your right foot. Good. Inhale to release. Exhale to press. Shoulders are staying down. And I want you to stay nice and tall. I'm not changing my form here from my pelvis all the way to the top of my head. What are you feeling here in your legs? Yeah, feeling the contraction in your quads. There we go. And 2. Good. 1 more. Good. And release. We have 2 legs. Let's inhale. Exhale to switch. Press with your left. And again, inhale. Exhale to press. Very good. Again, don't move your upper body. That's it. And 3. And 2. Last one. And release. Let's do your neck. We're going to slowly turn our head from right to left. Listen to the limit of your neck. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale slowly to the left. And from here, just keep going at your own pace. One more, right and left. And when you're done, just bring your head to neutral. We're going to bring the chin down towards the chest. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale, down. And again, just listen. The rhythm of your breath, go with it. Two more. And last one. And let's keep your chin down towards your chest. I want you to feel the stretch behind your neck. Breathe. Optional to use the weight of your hands behind your head. Elbows very close to your head. And slowly come back. Open your arms. Again, right here in cactus. Breathe. Mhm. And release. Let's do the new way of cat and cow. So we're going to inhale first. Exhale, hands from the hips. Bring your hands very close to the crease of your hips. Come back. Inhale. Exhale, forward. And again. That's it. Let's go for one more. And we're going to stay here. I want you to bring your elbows behind your back. Shoulders are down, away from your ears. You can do the little chin tuck. Feel tall from your hip all the way up to the tip of your head. You can bring your abs slightly into your spine to protect your lower back. Option one, you stay here, zero for your lower back. And option two, you open your right arm. Show me the palm of your hand. Option two, you open both arms. And if you're using only one arm, let's switch your arms. Splash yourself with water. Let's inhale. Exhale, cactus. And again, inhale. Exhale. Two more times. One more. Good. And let's stay here again. Breathe. And release. Rotate one shoulder at a time towards the back. Try to go even slower. Inhale. Exhale, down and back. Complete both shoulders. And we're going to go back to your legs. Let's bring the right leg up. We're going to point and flex. So lift the heart, shoulders are down and back, chin parallel to the earth. That's it. And feel what's going on here. Maybe you're going to feel a stretch behind your leg. Yeah, right there. Hamstrings and calf. Yep. And slowly release, switch your legs. You decide how high you want to bring your legs. So that depends of how strong you are in your quads. Good. Some of you are looking down at their foot. Look at each other. Smile at each other. We're not wearing a mask anymore. You have a different face. It's been a year. Good. 2 years? No. A year and a half, maybe? Yep. Too long. And release. Let's go back to your neck. We're going to bring your right ear close to your right shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale above your left. So keeping the shoulders down. Listen to the limit of your neck and just go at your own pace. Let's do one more, right and left. Make sure even your fingers are relaxed. Next time you come above your right, let's stay here. Again, check your shoulders. And optional to bring your left arm right here by your side. And the other option is to use the weight of your right arm, right hand. So my right, your right. Are you still breathing? I hope so. And we're going to look down towards the right armpit. So this is your levator scapula, and I'm stretching my what? Just trust me. And then turn slowly your head to the left. So look up at the sky slightly. That's your upper traps. And let's do a fist with your left hand. Inhale. Exhale, open your fingers. Exhale, inhale, fist. Exhale to open. 2 more times. 1 more. Good. Release both hands. Bring your head to neutral. And exhale slowly to switch. Again, check your shoulders. And when you are ready, open your right arm right here. Show me the palm of your hand. Yeah. Anytime it's too much, just release your arm. And then use the weight of your left hand. So my left, your left. Turn your head slowly to the left armpit. And slowly turn your head to look to the right. Notice if you're feeling it more on one side than the other. Slowly release. Oh, no, let's see here. You know what I forgot? The fist. So we're going to inhale fist. Exhale to open your fingers. Inhale fist. Exhale to open. 2 more. 1 more. Good. And then we're going to release our arms. Bring your head to neutral. Thank you so much for watching my little video. If you want the entire 1-hour chair yoga, I invite you to go on my website at www.abstractfitness.ca. See you soon.